What is up, ladies and gentlemen? It is your girl. I know that's Kai.
Broke boys don't deserve no pussy. I know that's right.
I saw this trend. I saw it on TikTok, but I also saw it on YouTube. I saw it here at Jayla Majette's channel. And I'm going to try and recreate that look today. It is the heart eyebrow. You guys know she has been killing it lately with that brow, and I wanted to try it out for a video that I'm about to do today. We're going to try it out. Wish me good luck. So I'm going to start by putting these to the back. I know I haven't done my edges yet, but I'm going to do those at the end. Now, I did watch a tutorial on it, and I'll link the girl's channel down below. Glued her eyebrows down, but I'm not gonna do that. Basically, all it is they use concealer to create the heart shape. But with that, your eyebrows have to be absolutely popping. So usually I use eyeshadow for my eyebrows, but I wanted to use a pomade, so I went and got this LA Colors pomade and pencil set from the Family Dollar. It was like $3 and some change or something like that. Ooh. Oh Lord, this might come out a hot mess because one, my eyebrows need to be done, honey. Girl, it might not come out too good. I don't know about this. Huh. Go too heavy like in this area because that blended out looks good with the heart for me. To me it does. Hot on the gram, girl. Come on now. Okay, so let's start blending. These don't look too good. These don't look too good. These don't look too good to me. Ugh, a mess. I'm praying for the concealer. I'm praying concealer's gonna come. I'm praying your girl's concealer is gonna come through for me. Usually I just do this. I'm gonna take a flat brush though. Not bad, not bad. Can we please be sisters? Make us sisters, please. Please make us sisters, please. Don't mind me, y'all. I'm in my fucking head, bitch. Right now they're looking like cousins, y'all. They're looking like cousins. I like to come through the middle too. I don't know about y'all. And then I'll blend that out into the brow. Okay, so I'm gonna try and blend this out so it is less harsh. Okay, and then let's take a beauty blender. Okay. Now it's time for the money maker. I'm gonna go a little bit lighter and use my LA Pro brow. Can you guys see that that's a little bit lighter? So I'm gonna use a lighter one. It's the e.l.f. angled eyeliner brush, and it's a little bit kind of stiff at the end. So that'll give me some precision. I'm actually gonna put a little bit of this concealer on my lid. And let's try it out. On the moment of truth. Baby girl. Ugh. Girl, this shit look like a diamond. What the fuck is this? Boo. Let's try it again. That one didn't work out too well. That turned out to be garbage. A little bit better than the first one. Guys, it's hard to do this when like your eyebrows like aren't glued down. So you do need to like glue them down. I think I have an old liquid eyeliner that dried up. Maybe I can use a pen from that. And it's super, super, super sharp. Third time's a charm, third time's a charm, third time's a charm. We got us a hook. Not bad, not bad. Do the other side. This shit is tough, man. Garbage. That one didn't work out either, y'all. That was close. Ooh, this might work. Ooh. I think that's the best we're gonna do. So I am gonna leave it like that. I am going to try and go in with a thin brush and see if I can clean up a little bit. This shit is cute. This shit is cute. That's the cutest it's gonna get, bitch. Don't be expecting all that. So we got a V, and we got the middle of the heart. Okay, curves. Up and around. Let's do the other side. Up and around. Up, oh fuck, and around. Okay, that's it. That's it. That's gonna be the best we can do, okay? I'm gonna leave it. It ain't gonna get no better. I'll be right back. I'm gonna finish beating my face. And then I'll be back. I'm gonna do my little look. Do my little look. Ooh. Do my look. Okay, I'm gonna finish beating my face and then I'll be back to show you the finished look. My whole outfit and my edges. Bye. Okay, so I am back, you guys, and this is the finished look. So I think I did a good job. Girl, my face is giving, okay? Period. It's giving what needs to be gave. I did a pink lip. I did a little bit of light orange, mostly focusing on my inner eye. And I did have to redo my heart again, but I think I got it this time. I just did the same method. Tip for you guys: so when you try this, I would try and glue down your eyebrow. I didn't have any glue, so I couldn't do that, and the hairs was getting in the way, and the hairs kept shifting, which kept like shifting the heart. 2, if you're using concealer, put some water. Make sure it's like watery so that it's almost like the consistency of eyeliner. That makes it a little bit easier to maneuver. 3, when you get to do the V, try and I used an eyeliner brush, like you saw earlier, but try and make that eyeliner brush flat. So lay it like flat on this end and flat on this end, and that'll make your V. When you start off, do the bottom dot and then do the middle dot. And then use those 2 dots as your guide. So you do dot, dot, you lay it flat, you lay it flat. And then the hardest part is just getting the curve. You can go back in with either a dark pencil or a brow pomade on a tiny brush, and then try and go back and fix it. That's what I did. If you don't have any glue, I just use mascara, let it dry. It seems to work if you do like a couple layers of mascara on your eyebrows and let that dry. So that's what I did, and this is my finished look, and I think it is giving. It's giving to me. Peace out.
If you don't like me, that's fine. But, you know, watch your mouth.